Baby, I go take care of you, passing on it. Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this brow mascara that I got on AliExpress. So I was looking for an affordable brow mascara, the one that can tint my brow from black to kind of dark brown, and I came across this color my brows on AliExpress. I actually ordered 3 different type of brow mascara, but this was the first one that came, and I tried it on. That was 2 days ago, and the result was amazing. It says it's waterproof, which is really true. The eyebrow mascara is waterproof and it does dry fast. So I'm going to do a small demo for you guys. I think I'll just do my eyebrow on camera for you guys to see what this product does to your brows. So I'll be working with this brow and I'll leave this other one aside. So the first thing I did was to tint my brow with the mascara.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She wanna.
So I'm going to take a spoolie brush and just brush out the brows a little.
A bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, eh, eh.
As you can clearly see, there's a huge difference already. This one is dark brown and my natural brows are black. After doing that, I'm going to trace my eyebrow with a dark brown pencil.
You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be my make.
And I'm using that dark brown pencil to fill in any gap in between my brows.
Turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl.
I'm going back into that brow mascara to kind of tint it a little bit, and I'm taking out the excess product.
Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video.
So I'm going to clean my eyebrows, and I'm using 2 of the LA Girl Pro concealer in Beautiful Bronze and Espresso. I'll use Beautiful Bronze for the bottom of my brow, and I'll use Espresso on the top of my brows.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. So make you give.
So guys, this is the outcome of the brow mascara. As you can see, there's a difference between my brow. This side is looking dark brown and the other side is really black. So if you're interested in this brow, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out yourself. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it or you find it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Give them, girl. Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl.